If you're streaming business data with Kafka and struggling with brittle ETL jobs just to get that data into your lake or warehouse, then this video is for you. In just a few minutes, you'll see how Confluent Tableflow turns Kafka topics into analytics-ready tables without the usual pipeline pain. At its core, Tableflow materializes Kafka topics or Flink tables as Apache Iceberg or Delta Lake tables in just a few clicks, all without duplicating data. This means that any stream in Confluent Cloud can show up as a queryable table in your lakehouse. The Confluent data streaming platform understands change data capture in Debezium. This approach keeps analytic views of operational databases fresh without hand-rolled upsert logic. You're not locked into a single storage pattern either. With flexible storage options, you can use Confluent Managed Storage, where Confluent handles the underlying object storage for you, or you can choose to bring your own storage and land those Iceberg or Delta tables directly into your own cloud buckets, like S3, so they sit alongside the rest of your lake data. Tableflow is currently available on both AWS and Azure. Once the data lands as tables, it needs to be discoverable. That's where catalog integrations come into play. By default, Tableflow automatically registers your Iceberg tables in a Confluent Managed Iceberg REST catalog, so they're immediately queryable through an open standards-based interface. When you want to extend an existing lakehouse to include real-time streaming data, Tableflow can also publish metadata into other catalog systems, including AWS Glue, Apache Polaris, Snowflake Open Catalog, and Databricks Unity Catalog. The result is simple. Operational Kafka data shows up as open format tables in the catalogs and engines that your analytics teams already use, like Snowflake, Databricks, Athena, Redshift, Trino, and more. You might be thinking to yourself, well, this seems just like another fancy connector. Let's talk about why it's more than that. Tableflow is tightly integrated with Confluent Schema Registry, so it has first-class schema management built in, supporting Avro, Protobuf, and JSON schema, as well as automatically schematizing incoming Kafka records, applying schema evolution according to your compatibility rules, and handling type mappings and conversions into Parquet and the underlying table formats. In practice, that means your tables inherit the same data contracts you've already defined at the stream layer. You don't have to rebuild those rules again in the lake. Second, unlike a traditional sync connector that pulls data off the brokers and ships it out to an external system, Tableflow is built directly on Cora's tiered storage layer. It reads from the same durable object storage that backs your Kafka topics. This minimizes load on the brokers compared to connector-based approaches that will continuously consume from live partitions. It also avoids extra egress traffic from streaming data out to a separate ingestion stack just to land it in tables. And it also reduces redundant replication and copies of the same data since you're reusing the existing stored segments instead of duplicating them into yet another system. Combined together, you get stronger schema guarantees and more efficient architecture. Additionally, Confluent Tableflow empowers you to remove complexity from your data streaming pipelines by taking care of automated maintenance and optimizations. Streaming into object storage typically creates a lot of tiny files, and that can kill query performance. Confluent Tableflow continuously compacts and cleans up those small files into larger, more efficient Parquet files, all without you writing any maintenance jobs. All of this pairs naturally with Confluent Cloud for Apache Flink, where you can shift your stream processing left by cleaning and enriching the data in real time before it ever becomes a table. For example, with Flink, you can deduplicate events, join multiple topics into a curated data product, and perform windowed aggregations. Then Confluent Tableflow materializes those curated data products directly into Iceberg or Delta Lake. And this helps avoid downstream transformations, which saves compute and maintenance costs. For high change datasets, Tableflow also supports high throughput upserts. You can define primary keys on your CDC streams, and Tableflow will continuously reconcile inserts, updates, and deletes into your target tables at scale. Under the hood, it manages compaction and merge efficiency so that even billions of rows can stay queryable with materialization lags measured in minutes, not hours. And all of that without you having to own a custom upsert pipeline. And when something goes wrong, you don't have to choose between fail hard or silently drop data. Tableflow offers a dead letter queue for problematic records. You can configure whether bad records should suspend the flow, be skipped, or be routed into a dedicated Kafka topic with full error context. And this means that you can keep your tables healthy and up to date while still having a side channel where data engineers can inspect, fix, and replay skipped events. In the real world, event schemas rarely stay static. Fields get added, renamed, or deprecated. And Tableflow supports schema evolution by leaning on schema registry's compatibility modes. So those changes are automatically reflected in your Iceberg or Delta tables while staying compatible with existing consumers. This empowers teams to iterate on schemas safely without constantly rebuilding tables or risking silent data corruption. Streaming with Confluent Tableflow means that you can leave behind all those custom, bespoke, and rigid data lake pipeline jobs and easily stream high quality, governed, and enriched topics as open format tables. Stream with Confluent Cloud and Tableflow today.